Hello, viewers. This is still Engineer One. Engineer One. Quality service assurance, perfect service assurance, no size. As I always educate you on this air conditioning cleaning exercise, it's time. As a Ghanaian tweet used to say, don't call me, oh, don't call me. Please, viewers, it's time for us to pay attention to this air conditioning cleaners. Viewers, there's a lot of diseases that have come to this system. Whenever you are using an air conditioner and you refuse to clean it at the right time, do you want to know all these diseases? Engineer One, I will tell you. Do you know nostril cavity hazards? Do you know potential hazards of the hazard? Do you know the bronchial to the nostril hazards? None of them that you are aware of. But as an engineer, air conditioner doctor, I would like to advise you, fellow customers, cleaning your air conditioner at the right time helps to improve your healthy living wherever you find yourself. Air conditioning cleaning is always best for using those users. If you want anyone to be doing this exercise for you, never turn anywhere. Just contact Engineer One on 0543 807919. I repeat, 0543 807919. In Accra, in Kumasi, around the globe, wherever you want me, I will attend to you with my squad. If you need Engineer One alone, I'll attend to you. Engineer One, perfect service assurance. Engineer One, quality jobs, no size.